After the 4th or 5th leaf has grown, it's about time to transplant them into my planter boxes. This is a delicate step. I try to carefully pick them up without harming the roots. The planter box I'm using is exactly 2 square feet, so I'm placing 4 lettuce into one and a mixture of 7 Lan and Pak Choy into another square foot. I wanted my basil plant to grow bigger, and ironically, the way to do that is by trimming. You can find a part of the stem that has 2 small shoots growing out sideways from the main stem. Cut the main stem off, and the small shoots will multiply to become 2 separate main stems.